And breaking news coming in at this hour, a major fire is being reported from Delhi's prominent market, Dilli Haat. These are the scary visuals coming in from Dilli Haat market, one of the most prominent markets in Delhi, where even from the world diplomats and envoys come and shop from. At least 12 fire tenders are at the spot. Take a look at the reaction also, one of the eyewitnesses from the fire site, what they have told NDTV.
I think the fire has started from probably 8:50. We were sitting and having some food and then people rushed. This is towards the end of the Dilli Haat, and it seemed like a major fire which went out of control, and the fire brigade has also taken about 15-20 minutes to get here, and then also they were not able to. One of the Gaadis came here, but it wasn't able to douse the fire because of some complication, and it's a big fire. It's still going on. A lot of traders have lost their goods already, and possibly there are also some cylinder blasts.
And these are the visuals that are coming in from Dilli Haat. My colleague Anushka is also joining me live from the spot. Anushka, tell us, what is the situation right now? We are being told that at least 30 stalls have been gutted to fire.
That's right, Aditi. We are right now at the spot where the fire took place. It was a major fire. 13 fire tenders had been rushed to the spot. We'll show you the visuals from here. First of all, this is what the current situation looks like. The cooling process is still on. A major fire broke out at this popular market in South Delhi's, INA area today evening, causing significant damage to several food stalls and handicraft shops. The blaze, which erupted around 8:55 p.m. is what the fire services have confirmed, has now been brought under control, but we can still see the cooling process that is still ongoing here. The fire services, the whole team is in fact right now, working on the cooling at this particular place. Now, according to fire service, 13 fire engines were rushed to the scene immediately after the alarm was raised. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported so far. It is a very vibrant marketplace inspired by traditional Indian village bazaars. It's a major attraction for both locals and tourists. People from all around the globe come here to enjoy the market area. Also, the market was moderately crowded at the time of incident, is what we are getting to know. This is the situation here. Many people were in fact stuck here when this whole fire took place. We'll also try to talk to some eyewitnesses. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
बलराम कुमार यादव।
आप यहीं पर थे जब आग लगी?
नहीं, मैं अगले दुकान पे था। मेरा एक पीछे भी दुकान है यहाँ जो स्टेज पे लगता है, ज्वेलरी और वो जर्मन सिल्वर का था, जो पूरा नुकसान हो चुका है।
कितने बजे आग लगी, क्या पता चला?
मेरे को पता नहीं, मैं पीछे वाले
अराउंड आग लगी है। 8:40 के अराउंड आग लगी है और 9:35 के आसपास फायर ब्रिगेड पहुंची है यहाँ। लगभग 1 घंटा लगा फायर ब्रिगेड को आने में।
मैम, यहाँ लापरवाही बहुत है। यहाँ बोलता है गवर्नमेंट किराया लेता है भर के, मगर कोई सुरक्षा नहीं है। प्लास्टिक की दुकान है, एक प्लास्टिक की दुकान में आग लगी तो टोटल जल जाएंगे। ये देखिए, जो गवर्नमेंट ने लगाई है, गवर्नमेंट ने जो नया कानून इस्तेमाल किया है, वो देखिए प्लास्टिक ही लगाया है।
कोई बात हो गए हम लोग यहाँ पे, हम लोग 2-3 पुश्त से पूंजी इकट्ठा करते दिल्ली हाट के नाम पे, जो शुरू में जो पहले था,
जाएंगे कहाँ,
जो शुरू में था, हम लोग आते थे 300-200 किराया लगता था। अभी के डेट में 3 लाख 4 लाख 5 लाख ऐसे किराया लग रहा है। लेकिन हम लोग
का शॉप यहीं पे था?
यहीं पे था हम लोग का।
किस चीज का शॉप था आपका?
हमारे भांजा का दुकान है ये। हमारे ये पेंटिंग जो होती है मैडम, 4 पुष्ट से इकट्ठा करते हैं पेंटिंग हम, तब हम लोग का इकट्ठा रहता है।
देखिए मैम, कितना
इसमें हमारा पेंटिंग इकट्ठा करते 10 साल यहाँ पे रह गए, कहीं के लायक नहीं रहे जो दूसरे जगह हम कमा सके।
Yes, that is the report that is coming in from Dilli Haat. We'll continue to track it. For now, we're slipping into a very short break. Don't go anywhere.